Hello, Jai Hind guys, and welcome back to the channel AK's Diecast. So guys, here you are seeing the three Lamborghinis that are made by the Hot Wheels as a casting for 2024, and these both are by the type Hot Wheels Exotics, and this one is by the type HW Dirt. So let's quickly check the new Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo. So here is also one great thing about Lamborghini Huracan. Yes, this new. There was a Super Treasure Hunt version also, and it was having the red Spectra flame color. And this one is not a Super Treasure Hunt, but this is a normal one. But still, I am going to show you, and let's check the details for this car. So here we have the Lamborghini. Details are slightly missing, and we could compare this side headlight, and this car have a huge air intake. Also, the front air diffuser is also a quite nice one, a quite low car. And here by the side we can see the rims. This is a disc type rim, and this is a spoke type rim. So here is a difference between these two wheels. And also some Lamborghini decals. 6 number is written there. Here the side air vents. This is also the side air vent. Then the mirror is given. Then by the top we can see, yes, the air intake is given on the hoods. Then here is a small roof scoop which is not detailed by black color. Again here the engine bay, this fiber piece is not also blacked out. The spoiler is not also blacked out. Just some kind of decal is given over here. And again by the back side, then we have the rear air diffuser, the exhaust, but no Lamborghini logo or blackout grille is given to there. No blackout grille and no headlight details as well. So this car was only about its front details, but it is not there again. And this is a side profile. So yes guys, this was all about the Lamborghini Huracan LP620 Super Trofeo. Also this is car by the type Hot Wheels Exotics, 8 of the 10th. Again a nice card art. Look guys, the Huracan is one of my favorite car from the Lamborghini, and these both, those are identical by the body lines but different by their functions, because this is an off-road car and this is a track-based car. So this is the thing about Lamborghini Huracan LP620, and I will meet you again in the next video. Until then, bye, Jai Hind.